Dearest heart, your soul has entered the second layer of the most difficult essential cycle. It has entered a sacred rhythm called rhythm of completion, and it wants you to walk the path again to complete this cycle. Actually, it knows you have already completed one great thing or cycle. You have let go of a chapter, a role, a relationship, an old self. Now you think you have done it. You have completed it. Now there is no more homework on this topic for you because you have moved on from your past, from that situation, and you played your role in that moment. But no, it is the very point from where the work of second layer begins. Or you could say, where your homework for the second layer begins. In the first layer, you released what was visible. But in the second layer, you have to release the subtle or what is hidden. Means you have to release the identity of the one who let go. Release the pride of I did the work well. Release the story you keep telling about how far you have come. Release the need for certainty that it is all done now. And release the sentiment of sacrifice, the belief that you left her or him for her or his highest good. In other words, the first layer asked you to clean the room. You threw all the trash outside and you thought, my room is fully clean now. But when the higher cosmic energy supervised that empty room, intending to fill it with its own energy, it discovered there is still some dust in the corners, an old calendar on the wall, an old cloth is still lying in the cupboard. Now it is saying, remove those two. Remove the small things you kept saying is a memory and stay in that emptiness for some days. Here, you are not being asked to think your way through this cycle. You are being asked to feel it and release your declaration. You have arrived. You have completed or you have done it. Your soul wants this silence or cleanliness to reach its goal. And you have to anchor this new rhythm of completion. My child, remember, this emptiness may disturb you for a while, but you don't have to rush to fill the open space with noise, with new systems, with new identities. You have to practice receptivity and stand in the void and become comfortable there. You can also practice two tides ritual to clear your causal body and anchor this new rhythm of completion. Step 1, first tide, the obvious release, 3 minutes. Close your eyes and say, we, as a collective, have already released separation, hatred, and fear. Adesh. Breathe in, breathe out. Feel the earth grow lighter. Step 2. Second time. The subtle release. 4 minutes. Now say we as a collective. Now release the identity of the awakened one. The pride of we are the we. The struggle to change the old. Adesh. Imagine millions of souls saying this together. Feel the earth shift. Step 3. Rest in the open space. 3 minutes. Say nothing. Think nothing. Just breathe. These 3 minutes create a 0-point field for the earth. Step 4. Completion. 1 minute. Place hand on heart. Say Tatum Asi. I am that. We are that. Adesh, Adesh, Adesh. Remember, doing this, you are completing. You are emptying. You are completing again. And in this race, you are coming home. So just follow your instincts and release whatever you need to release. Your core self is waiting for this release. With infinite love, thank you.